Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Ninja DZ201 8-quart air fryer. The Ninja Foodie 6-in-1 8-quart 2-basket air fryer with dual zone technology. The first air fryer with 2 independent baskets that let you cook 2 foods at once, not back-to-back like a traditional single-basket air fryer. Dual zone technology's smart finish feature intelligently manages to cook so both foods finish at the same time. The original air fryer with 2 independent baskets, the XL air fryer lets you cook 2 foods, 2 ways, at the same time, eliminating back-to-back cooking like a traditional single-basket air fryer. Dual zone technology allows you to choose between the smart finish feature, which unlocks cooking 2 foods 2 ways that finish at the same time, and the match cook button to easily copy settings across zones for full 8-quart capacity. Includes 6 versatile cooking programs: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. The 8-quart air fryer capacity lets you fit mains and sides at the same time for making quick family meals, or up to 4 pounds of French fries or chicken wings. 2 independent 4-quart zones have their own cooking baskets, cyclonic fans, and rapid heaters. Easy to clean baskets and dishwasher-safe crisper plates. Number 2 in this best air fryer made in USA list is Kassori Smart Air Fryer. The Kassori Smart Air Fryer lets you maximize time with friends and family by using the free VSync app to remotely monitor meals while cooking, which is an ideal Father's Day gift. Choose from 10 customizable cooking presets and preheat and keep warm functions for perfect results every time you cook. The shake reminder lets you know when to shake your food for evenly cooked, crispy textures. The shake reminder lets you know when to shake your food for evenly cooked, crispy textures. Browse through the included 100 recipe cookbook for culinary inspiration, and view new recipes each month on the VSync app. Minimize cleanup time with non-stick, dishwasher-safe, PFOA and BPA-free baskets that can be removed and detached. Let's watch more. Our third pick is Power XL Air Fryer Vortex. Power XL's air fryer and multi-cooker with Vortex Rapid Air technology provides even more air fry crisping power. Your meals are crisp to perfection inside a turbocharged whirlwind of superheated hot air, which eliminates the unhealthy oil of a deep fryer. Air fry your favorite fried foods, such as onion rings or French fries, to achieve a golden brown crisp and crunch on all sides, rather than just the top and bottom. You can also bake, roast, and broil with very little or no oil. It is simple to use and clean. 10 cooking presets are one-touch easy for extra crispy air frying, as well as additional types of cooking such as air fry roast, air bake, broil, dehydrate, reheat, and more. Dehydrated snacks like fruit, leather, and jerky are fast and easy. Bake your favorite desserts, and even roast chicken, meats, vegetables, and more. Use the air fryer recipes cookbook or program your own time and temperature. Timer with auto shutoff with digital display panel. Choose effortlessly from 10 digital presets for precise heating on almost any meal or program the time and temperature you want. No matter what you're cooking, Power XL Vortex air fryers makes it easy. Discover the new solution for busy families who don't have a lot of time to cook. Fourth pick in our best air fryer made in USA list is Kassori 5.8 QT Air Fryer Oven Combo. The air fryer's spacious 5.8 quart square baskets can fit a whole 5-pound chicken. Additionally, the corner spaces provide more cooking capacity and flexibility than round designs. Cook the perfect amount of food for 3 to 5 people in one go. Choose from 13 convenient cooking functions with a single touch, each finely tuned by Kassori chefs to product the tastiest results. You can also choose your preferred temperature and time for your personal recipes. An NTC sensor sends accurate information to the air fryer, which automatically adjusts temperatures to keep fluctuations under 5°F for evenly cooked meals. Meet the Pro 5.8 quart air fryer, the highly efficient tool that brings healthier fried flavors to your countertop. Find inspiration for every meal with 100 original, Kassori chef-created recipes that include size, cook time, and temperature. Even beginner chefs can cook with confidence. Cook your food up to 50% faster than a traditional oven and reduce your food's oil content by up to 85% than traditional deep frying, giving it the same crispy taste without the health drawbacks. The removable, dishwasher-safe baskets have non-stick coating that makes cleanup quick and easy. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is Cuisinart TOA 60 Convection Air Fryer. This unique kitchen workhorse is actually a premium full-size toaster oven with a built-in air fryer. That means it not only bakes, broils, and toasts, it also lets you air fry right inside the oven. Air frying, which uses powerful ultra-hot air, is a healthier way to prepare delicious fried favorites, from wings to fritters to fries to shrimp. And since toaster ovens stay on the countertop, this fryer doesn't have to move back and forth, from cupboard to counter. Enjoy the crunch without the calories and messy cleanup, with the air fryer toaster oven. This premium 1800-watt toaster oven and air fryer is equipped with an air fry setting plus toast, convection bake, convection broil, warming feature, with a wide temperature range 450°F. Large enough to toast 6 slices of bread, air fry 3 pounds of chicken wings, bake a 12-inch pizza or roast a 4-pound chicken. Equipped with an adjustable temperature dial, 60-minute timer auto shutoff, and a toast shade selector to ensure your meals are cooked to perfection. Oven light, oven rack, baking pan, air fry basket, and a non-stick easy clean interior to make cleanup simple. For details, let's watch more.